Unlocking Time Off, a guide to understanding and using this English phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very common and useful English phrase, time off. Understanding this phrase is crucial for both casual conversations and professional environments. So, let's get started and unlock the various aspects of time off together. Time off refers to a period when someone is not working or is taking a break from their regular duties. It's commonly used in work and school environments. Time off can be planned, like a vacation, or unplanned, such as in the case of illness. Understanding this phrase helps in both requesting breaks and discussing plans with others. Here, we'll explore the different kinds of time off. Common types include 1. Vacation time, scheduled days for leisure or travel. 2. Sick leave, taken when someone is ill and unable to work. 3. Personal days, days off for personal reasons, not necessarily vacation or sickness. 4. Public holidays, days off due to national or local holidays. 5. Maternity, paternity leave, time off for new parents. Each type serves a specific purpose and is recognized differently in various cultures and workplaces. Let's look at some examples. 1. I'm taking some time off next week to go hiking. 2. She's on time off due to a family emergency. 3. How do you usually spend your time off? Notice how time off can be used to talk about both future plans and current situations. It's important to understand the cultural contexts of time off. In some cultures, taking a lot of time off might be seen as a lack of commitment to work, while in others, it's considered essential for maintaining a healthy work-life balance. Misunderstandings can arise if these cultural differences are not acknowledged. Phrasal verbs and idioms can enrich your understanding of time off. Here are a few. 1. Take off, to leave work for a period. 2. Wind down, to relax after a period of work. 3. Burned out, feeling exhausted and needing time off. These phrases often appear in casual and workplace conversations. Thank you for joining us to explore the phrase, time off. We hope this video has made it easier for you to understand and use this phrase in your daily English conversations. Remember, taking time off is not just a phrase, it's an important part of balancing work and personal life. Keep practicing, and see you in our next video.